Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Investing.com, United States dollar fell against the other major currencies on Friday, and the dollar index posted its largest weekly decline since late October as optimists cooled over President-elect Donald Trump's economic policy proposals. The United States dollar index, which measures the greenback trade against a trade-weight basket of six major currencies, was down 0.29% to late Friday. For the week, the index hit 1.0%, marking its worst weekly performance since late October. The index had risen earlier Friday after upbeat United States retail sales data bolstered the economic outlook. The Commerce Department reported that retail sales rose 0.6% in December, while November's sales were revised up to show a 0.2% increase. But the dollar retraced gains amid uncertainty over the incoming Trump administration's plans for fiscal stimulus, deregulation, and tax cuts. The dollar fell sharply on Wednesday and hit five-week lows against the euro, yen, and Swiss francs on Thursday as Trump disappointed traders who had been hoping he would address economic and fiscal policies in his first formal news conference as United States President-elect. The dollar index rallied to 15 years peaks earlier this month on expectation that Trump's policies would spur growth and inflation and prompt the Federal Reserve and raise interest rates more quickly. Trump will officially take office on January 20. USD or GPY was down 0.14% at late Friday, and the pair was down 2.23% for the week, its worst week since late July. The euro also pushed higher with euro or USD at light trade after touching in a trading low following the United States retail sales for the week. The euro gained 1.08% against the dollar. Silver edged higher with GBP or USD easing up 0.12%, but remain under pressure ahead of a speech on the United Kingdom's Brexit plans that Prime Minister Theresa May will make on Tuesday. In the week ahead, financial markets will continue to focus on United States President-elect Trump ahead of his inauguration on Friday. Investors will be looking ahead to Thursday's keenly anticipated Brexit speech and Thursday's policy announcement by the European Central Bank. China's data of fourth quarter growth will also be closely watched. Ahead of the coming week, Investing.com has compiled a list of these and other significant events like to affect the market. Monday, January 16. United States financial markets will be closed for Martin Luther King Day. Bank of England Governor Mark Carney is due to speak at an event in London Thursday, January 16. New Zealand is to release private sector data on business confidence. The United Kingdom is to release data on inflation. The Zoo Institute is to report on German economic sentiment. New York Fed President William Dudley is to speak at an event in New York, and the United States is also to release the Empire State Manufacturing Index. United Kingdom's Prime Minister Theresa May is due to speak about starting proceeding for Britain's exit from the European Union. Wednesday, January 18, United Kingdom is so published in monthly jobs report. The Eurozone in, is to release the revised data on inflation. The United Kingdom is to publish figures on inflation and industrial production later in the day. Fed Chair's Janet Yellen in to speak at an event in San Francisco. I think that's all maybe from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel.